Right.
I want to take a pivot here
Sure.
and go to a question that's posed by Jazz. Hey, Jazz.
Hmm.
And we're talking about fear. Her greatest fear is that I will be replaced on the job by robots, and I know I'm not alone. So let's bring in HAL 9000 and ask you with what is probably the topic du jour with AI so much in the news, and with striking writers and creators in Hollywood worried that they're going to be made obsolete by ChatGPT writing scripted comedies and drama series that we'll see on TV in the future. Talk to the fear that Jazz is having about that, and how perhaps we can pivot away from it or overcome that fear.
Yeah. Jazz, this is a great question. Thank you so much for taking the time to think through that. I'm actually attending a conference next week here in Denver on the impact of AI. So the question is timely as well. Probably be better suited to answer it in a week, but I'll give it a stab. You know, call me naive, and I have been called worse. I do think that AI can replace us to a degree, but I also think that the human element of interaction, of relationships, of community, and I've used that word several times, just in the 25 minutes or so that we've been together. But I do think that AI cannot replicate that, at least not currently. I mean, 100 years from now, who knows? I'll be walking around as robots anyway. I do think that, when you are selling yourself, and let me put some context around that. Every day as a person at work, you're selling yourself. You're selling your value to the company, to the customer or the clients. You're selling yourself to internal and external constituents. You're sort of constantly in either bright or somewhat dim spotlight, showcasing your talents and skills and making sure that you're delivering value. And when AI comes into play, I think it supports us. I think we're all a little nervous about it now because it's new and it seems all-consuming. But my sense is that we will learn fairly quickly the limitations of AI. We're already learning that, what it can and cannot do, and where those of us in the human experience fit and add value. So depending on how you look at it, either we make AI more valuable or AI makes us more valuable. But I just don't see, Jazz, that it will replace folks in the same way that a robot might replace someone on a package line at Amazon.